Hindi ya gikaro gya kamiti ya mbunge igie githomo na ruhonge rwa woyani wa Arutwo mathukuru-ini ma university na colleges rwa KUCCPS, ruhonge ruru ni rutariirie moritu maria makoretwo ho hari kumenya kuria Arutwo macokaga guthie marikia kigeranio gya KCSE. Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa ruhonge rwa KUCCPS Agnes Mase wa Home, thirikari itigagwo na rekodi cia Arutwo aria metwo mathukuru-ini matiganite kugera ruhonge ruru na gicunje kinene gigatigwo nja ya rekodi cia thirikari, kwa muhiano ario gicunje kia 26 hari igana kia Arutwo aria mekire kigeranio mwaka muhituku kioikaine kuria kiri ni thirikari.
700,000 may be somewhere, but we can't account them as a nation. If I run at a college, I should be able to report to a certain body and a certain ministry on how many students I have. We had over 900,000 students. We placed the ones who had C+ and above. We can comfortably account for, I would say, 86%. The ones which was 26% of all the candidates. So 100 minus 26, that is 74% had C and below.
Ningi wa Home no ugite gukinyiria riu gutire mutaratara o wothe ugathikitwo ni thirikari kumenya wega ni Arutwo aigana matararikia mathomo ma thukuru-ini cia universities na colleges, na gutire na njira ya kumenya itumi ciao gutiga mathomo maya.
If KUCCPS places, then KUCCPS needs to be able to get returns so that we know how many drop out, and we are able to know as a country what is the value for money. If we are putting in money in scholarships, then we should be able to see whether that money was actually properly used. And those who are dropping out, are they dropping out because of school fees? Are they dropping out because of social aspects? And what are the mitigating factors that we can put in place?
Kuringana na muikariri wa bodi ya ruhonge ruru Cyrus Gituai, hari bata ona thirikari kwandikithagia Arutwo aria othe mathie guthomera mabururi ma nanja, undu uri utahanikaga na thirikari igatigwe tari na ithabu ria Arutwo aya.
Those students who will go to overseas universities, they should somehow be cleared through KUCCPS so that you can know they are there and what kind of courses are they undertaking.
Yeah.
In fact, KUCCPS even has capacity to even include even those students who will go to university via certificates and diplomas.
Countries are struggling to identify what we call the nets, the young people who are not in education, they are not in training, not in education and not in employment.
Ruhonge ruru ni rwendekithitie mutaratara wa watho uria ukurehe mugaruruku ramatini wa mubango wa woyani wa Arutwo na guthinga mahoro maria makoretwo kuo. Handu-ini ya KUCCPS TV retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.